If you want to start using private email for a domain name registered with Namecheap, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the full setup step by step so you can create your mailbox, log in, and start sending and receiving email with your custom domain. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open your Namecheap dashboard and sign into the account that has your domain registered. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and click Private Email. This is where Namecheap manages your private email service tied to your domain. After that, you'll see an option to manage your email service. Click Manage next to Email to open the control panel for your private email setup. From here, if you want to create a brand new email address, click Create Mailbox. This is the step where you build your custom email account like info@yourdomain.com or support@yourdomain.com. Next, you'll need to enter the mailbox name. This is the part before the @ symbol, so choose something that fits your business or personal use. Then create a strong password for the mailbox. Make sure it's secure and something you can remember because you'll need it to sign in later. After that, choose the mailbox storage amount. This controls how much space your email account will have for messages and attachments, so pick the option that matches your needs. Once everything is filled in, save or confirm the mailbox creation. Namecheap will then set up your new private email address for your domain. Now that the mailbox is created, the next step is logging in. Back in the private email area, click Login next to the mail account you just created. This will take you to the email sign-in page. Enter your full email address and password, then click Sign In. If everything is correct, you'll be taken into your private email inbox. From there, you can start sending and receiving messages using your domain-based email address. This is great for looking more professional, keeping your brand consistent, and managing communication from a custom email instead of a generic one. You can also return to your Namecheap dashboard anytime to manage additional mailboxes or update settings, and that's it. You've now learned how to start using private email for a domain registered with Namecheap. You created the mailbox, logged in, and got everything ready to use. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial.